good.
Yeah, that was fun.
Those lips were like,
Yeah.
You want to do it again? We could do it again. That was quick.
The very first part, I think, was like Bonsai Ridge or something. That was beautiful. The views.
Yeah.
I like that front part though. I got good air.
26.
You guys want to do it one more time and
No,
just
sure.
non-stop, straight down?
Sure.
Get some good speed.
Back
This is
over
another.
to-
This is a good jump too.
Oh yeah. This guy can hit it now.
Get off of that.
I wonder who thought to be like, I'm gonna use sticks.
Should we
while
put this down?
Going down a mountain on weird slats. Like,
So we're doing the same run again?
Sure. Then we'll head over to the burn.
Okay.
Do some of the trees up off Sneakies,
we're gonna definitely beat this chair right here. 26.
tree trails. Yeah, I don't know.
We better. We'll do the best we can.
We shall see. We shall see.
Sure.
We're just gonna go tuck run all the way.
Cool.
No.
20 feet of air.
Just do nice big
Then I can
GS
do this.
turns.
Yeah.
Carve that edge. Did you get any air on those little lips at the end? The bumps?
Not
The
really,
rollers?
but it was fun to go over them like
Yeah.
up and down.
Oh, that's a tough trail. It's like there's moguls, but there's not really enough moguls to go around them, so you're just going over them. Oh, look at that.
Bumps. So you can trace a trail up through the moguls and you would ski. What are you doing? That's not. You want to knock us off the lift?
Whoa.
Knock you off the lift, George.
Ow. Jackerman!
That was a nice short chairlift ride.
Yeah,
Much shorter than Village Express, that's for
that's
sure.
right.
Yeah. 4 minutes to 9. Counted? No, it says it right here.
Yes, we're putting it up.
Huh?
All right, I'm just gonna go. I'm gonna go right and scoop around this way. You guys can go left.